Voice of Biafra. The person where they hear his voice, Nana Biken Nade. Today, another special day. Because people don't call. Our last program, people call. Like the time people wake up from other parts of every part of the world. We don't feel mentioned. The time when we start this program, we've been mentioned. But now, the names they go there too long. Today, now the question and answer. All the questions we want to say about the politics, the boycott, and anything. So we won't take time. Go for this thing one after the other. Because you get a lot of people who they confused about the program. You know, many of them they call. They say, see what thing happen, see what thing happen. So we pick some of the questions. Some of the questions where people ask. In fact, people don't even ask this thing before. But we pick, we get to the same question where people ask the same question, many people they ask the same question. So we say, okay, say we could pick few questions. This one go day short because our last program day long. Some of our fans they always tell us, say, make we reduce and small. Make we just summarize things, make the thing not come too long. So the first question where we go answer today now from Wama Francis. We write because if you want to write us for our video, you go see our email address. You go see our email address. You feel write us for email address. The people will put question for our social media too, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. We they also answer. We just pick the ones where they more. Where a lot of people ask. You know, when up to 10 people they ask the same question, you just pick that one. So the first one now from Wama Francis. He said, votes do not count in Nigeria. Look at what happened in Ekiti and Osun. They shared money even when the ruling party didn't win. They still rig the election and announced who they wanted. Why should we fool ourselves again? My brother Wama Francis. Thank you. A good question you ask. This question a lot of people don't ask us. Even before that, Osun and Ekiti. You see one thing. Well, no matter how bad a system is, running away from that system instead of confronting that system, no good. In fact, waiting happen for Osun and Ekiti, even don't show say power don't enter the people hands more. Before for election, then they pay anybody money. Now as they do election, they tell result she go write those results, come announce. Now that one day impossible. That one day impossible. Because now you get to use your fingerprints and all those things to do. You never did perfect. But what thing happen for Osun and the Ekiti? Don't show say the thing don't dey too tight. That power is returning to people. For them to they look for people to give them money, 5,000, go and vote, means that they now know that the power is getting to your hand. You know, go there their hand. And remember, these two states still dey court now. Make we dey watch within the court. I know say our judiciary they corrupt, but it's still the best arm of government. Because some of the states where they see even do when the almighty Obasanjo was when he was rigging anything, many states still go court, get their mandate back. The likes of Adam Oshomole, when win election, carry the whole result as they announce wrong thing. He go court, present the original result, win. If you think say Narigi make Obiano governor of Anambra State, na lie. Na election seriously contested. Obiano won. If na rigging, APC carry money go there, do everything, but the people resisted. So make we resist. Make we resist rigging rather than sitting at home. The worst thing what you go do to people who oppress you, not to just say you the verse, so you go sit at home. So make them announce results. Don't forget. Now for our land, where money, where they use budget, they come from, over 60% of their money. No ever think say they go to beg you to come and vote. No, they don't go beg you to come and vote. They even want you to sit at home. So now why many of us they against this election boycott? Because it's a wrong strategy. If they go rig us out for election, Nigerian election, they go still rig us out for referendum. So now we still dey Nigeria, make we follow them struggle am. Because as I dey, if I dey Nigeria, dey my town, dey polling booth wey dey my place, I no fit defend my vote there, then I'm not worthy to be a Biafran activist. So, Wama Aze Francis, no lose hope. Many countries where they see, waiting they suffer, no be small thing, you know. Even the UK where we did, I don't talk that thing before. 70 years ago, this place was a useless place. People, they die of cholera, everything. Now one man come out, Clement Attlee, call the younger generation. Say he go make them possible, make everybody they go hospital for free. People say it's possible. Say they know, say Britain no get that. He say he go do it. Make them try. The people voted for Attlee. Attlee came on with NHS, National Health Service. Free at the point of need. No matter the thing what you they sick, whether na brain surgery you want, they not free. That was how that was how development just before they know they enter free everything, free education, everything. So because we don't fail many times, no means say we not go try. So make we go the next one. Somebody sent this thing. Not be only one person. There are a few of them that wrote this. I picked it up. Make I talk to our people. This person wrote Chidioka. He said Yoruba voted for Buhari. Now they are suffering. They want us to help them to vote Buhari out. We won't do that. We boycott the election. He kept waiting. Somebody even tell me this same thing for phone. He get things where you go read. You go the suspect say na computer program you dey talk to. Say no be human being. This person talk say Yoruba people vote for Buhari. Because na Yoruba people vote for Buhari. Now Yoruba they suffer. Make Yoruba people vote am out. The guy they talk as if he go market to buy rice, because him be Igbo person, they go give him different price. Yoruba person get different price. If they talk as if he go to buy filling station to buy fuel, say they go sell fuel cheaper because he be Igbo, sell fuel. Nah, my brother, everybody suffer. The mistake where people made for 2015, our people in particular, we go boycott the election. Now the we talk am now we predict am. Say instead you go boycott the election, make good luck with the idea. Make we still dey fight for our Biafra. Because for polygamous family, if na your mama dey kitchen, my brother you get hope pass. Make it be a person dey as rock. People no listening to us. They say make we boycott. We tell them if we boycott, the people will go vote go do it less. Buhari go win. And Buhari win, say go dey brutal to our people. Now you want boycott the second one. Will be say why no need anything again from you from 2000. That one go be massacre. Hardship wey they face now. That one na rehearsal. This one na rehearsal. So Chidioka, this thing na emotional talk, no logic, no reason. So that one concern you, but we no say our people go vote. They never born that person wey go tell you Biafran people or Igbo people to boycott the election. They never born am. Even for my town Akwete, they never born anybody wey go come out tell Akwete people make we boycott the election. No. We dey discuss things, dialogue things, or the people will agree. Then anything where the people agree, we do am. Not be one person or one group bring their ideology impose on anybody. Igbo na strong place, yo. You see what thing they happen to Rogers Okorocha? People think say we dey stupid. Everybody look Rogers. Rogers they do giri. The Igbo elders, Igbo elite, they watch am. They watch am. People where they make noise, no, they do it. Now those people who keep quiet, they watch Rogers. Say we go show this man. We go show and say we be able. You get this, what happened with the trollets? We know the trollets, all those kind of things. You see what they do, Okorocha? He lose the whole Okorocha turned Imo into a family crash. What I say is not what was happened. People live like. See what he looks. Everybody, all the so-called brother, son-in-law, sister-in-law, wife, all of them lose tickets. That is our nature. People don't they look at people. Who be this man when they tell them say everybody will sit at home? Who you discuss with? Where I hold that meeting? We get elders. We get elites. Until those elites are replaced, they remain the elites. So we get women, we get traders, we get students, radical Biafran students in all the universities. People must be consulted before that blanket order. We must everybody should see. You know they happen. Anybody will won't bet me that millions of Ndi Igbo, millions of Biafran will vote. The next one is under one, where they popular too. This one, Chikoba. He said they called us terrorists and they proscribe us. Terrorists don't vote. This one I don't hear them. Even when I read them, I think say na joke. But I did surprise say a lot of people send this same question. They send this same comment now they make. Say they call, yes, everywhere where people they agitate, then they call them terrorists. African National Congress for South Africa, they call them terrorists. But African National Congress, even for this country, Britain fully call them terrorists. Their own even they was because Biafra own the IPOB where they call terrorists, nobody regard them. America no regard them. Britain no regard them. European Union no regard. So it's just nonsense. I can bet anything that Supreme Court will throw away that nonsense. If they call you terrorists and you sit at home, who you they do? The person who call you terrorists go still remain in power. Use police, use your money, the oil money from your land. Use and buy bullets, use and kill you. That is stupidity. African National Congress, they call them terrorists, but they fought. Their major demand, give us right to vote. We, for Biafra, get right to vote. With the rejecter. Are we stupid? You know they happen. We go vote. Nobody can fool us again. First fool, no be fool. Second fool, na proper fool. Even Hamas, where they for Israel. No be terrorists, they call them. Israel call them terrorists. But Hamas, they participate in election. Win election, they control their territory. Now here you say, these people don't be terrorists. So because somebody call you terrorist, no mean say, now a false allegation. So because of that, you carry your oil money, carry your power, carry your tax where they pay, give them to the hands of a bunch of criminals and lunatics, make them they rule over you. My brother, keep your emotion aside. Let's talk logic and reasoning. This one is Mr. Herbert. You know, put your surname. Say we cannot be participating in an election under a fraudulent constitution. Constitution must be replaced with the people's constitution. We must boycott the election. Mr. Herbert, thank you very much. Again, when I do program where somebody asks this question, not be only you they talk. In fact, within the pen me now lawyers they promote this. You get one lawyer, no one call his name or the organization. In fact, there's no need because I don't even talk before for one of our programs. Natoni Nadi, the leader of Lower Niger Congress. Now they promote this idea from Yaradua era to Goodluck era. Now, boy, we must boycott the election. Say the constitution there fraudulent. Yes, I believe the constitution is fraudulent. When the constitution say we the people, when you know consult the people, of course it's fraudulent. But in law, every law is valid until it is set aside. Any law where they even if they make law say everybody once you reach airport everybody must stay naked. Nah, it don't become now law be that. Why will they fight them? The law still they valid. So we must engage in politics. Go fight that law, fight that constitution, replace that constitution with the people's constitution. That was the method our ancestors, our people, our elders used during the independence struggle. The so-called oppressive colonial constitution, they use it to contest election, use it to win election. Immediately they swore oath to protect and preserve the constitution. They fought the constitution to stand still. They fought Clifford Constitution. They fought Richard's Constitution. They fought Macpherson Constitution. They fought Littleton Constitution until the Independent Constitution. Even the Independent Constitution, British still tell them say it must be Queen must be head of Nigeria. They accept to do. Queen was the head of Nigeria, head of state of Nigeria. As of 1960, when we get independence. But immediately we get independent, the same people who swear or say they will protect that begin fighting until 1963. Nigeria come usher in the Republican Constitution. So because Constitution dey no mean say he swear to protect Constitution no mean say he be slave. I don't talk this thing for some of my programs. So make we keep emotion engage people intellectually. We no go allow our people anybody fool our people. Those people wey call say they go put this message for DVD, go put an DVD, give and trade. In fact, traders dey intelligent. Most of the traders wey dey believe in this joke boycott election, not all these small boys wey dey run our outside here. Real traders wey dey import things, wey dey manufacture things, they know that politics is local. Asari Dokubo don't ever tell you say make you boycott election. Tom Polo don't ever tell you to boycott election. Ateketon don't tell you to boycott. These people understand that politics is local. Politics will determine the quality of air where they breathe. It determine the kind of road where you get, the kind of hospital where you get. You no go sit down for road, for house. Make people wey no get sense go dey rule you. They will. Nah, we don't suffer for a long time. Make their suffering no continue. Almost all the states in our land, they owe our aged parents a gratuity and pension. So you want make them remain there, make them come owe them. Many of them don't die finish. I beg, make we receive sense. Make we receive sense. I don't tell some of the pro-Biafran leaders where they talk about this boycott. Anybody will pay you, make you talk this nonsense. Go return that money. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. It's not. Nobody, no government go come slaughter Igbo people. Igbo people come do something where go make that government remain in power. God no go happen. It no go happen. It no fit happen. They never born the person where go make the part. You know what it mean? Since I was born. Apart from what happened for Izu River where they kill our people. This Buhari era. Now era where they slaughter our people like say they no be human being. So people they go inside forest, they see body of our young men. Then we go boycott election, make the sun go more win. You know what thing go happen? It no go happen, no. It no go happen. So if you believe in this message, share am. Anything wey go make this message reach our people all over. Because these people wey they talk about this boycott, the message wey we receive yesterday from somebody inside be say they won't begin to inflame. They talk say they go destroy every eastern part of Nigeria. They go destroy all the polling booths. They go destroy INEC offices. Say that the message they begin want put out now. Say they go destroy all INEC offices. Say they go destroy polling booths. Say anybody will come out that day they go kill her. Say that the message where they plan to shoot her. Say they plan this thing with federal government. So that when they talk this in federal government for election, they go carry and be full our land. Say they want to protect us. So that they intimidate our people. So that Buhari will win. We no go agree. First fool no be fool. Second fool na proper fool. The last one where I go talk na chew the willy. Now waiting just right. No referendum, no election. And my brother chew the willy. Nobody will give you referendum. Nobody will give you. You will fight for referendum. And all of us don't agree. Say we no go war. So we must use politics, dialogue, diplomacy. Get referendum. Nobody they give you referendum. No slave master they carry freedom give slave unless that slave fight. Use any means whatsoever to come out. All of us don't agree. So anybody where they tell you say we go sit at home, we go boycott election until government can't give us date for referendum. That person know they think well. You know they think well. It's like a man wey marry wife. Una don't try for many years. The wife never carry belle. He can't say no go do again. Unless that wife go bring belle, come back home before you go begin again. It sounds very stupid. All of us don't be stupid, no dey stupid for this struggle. In fact, now why we say, so that when people don't dey lose hope for this struggle. Intellectuals don't deliver. So we want all of una will live, make una come back. Biafra now we get up. All of us get Biafra. All of us get IPOP. Indigenous people of Biafra. Now you. So make we reclaim am. Make people know say we know they stupid. So people when they say no referendum, no Scotland now wetin they talk. Scotland, they do go around and say no referendum, no election, no referendum. No. Scottish people plan themselves. Enter politics, they wipe Labour Party out of Scotland. The Scottish nationalists took over Scottish Parliament to send their representative to British Parliament, pressurize Britain, use dialogue, use every means. They give them date for referendum. The same thing happened in Catalonia. The same thing happened in Quebec. It happened in different parts. Why our own? Are we not be we they say we dey wise, and we they behave like mumu. And the guy one thing where I just see last week. Say a group of Biafran activists disrupted a church service. A group of Biafran activists. I no one call on a name because I even don't tire to call on a name. Say pastor they tell people for church. Say make them go vote. Say make them get their PVC. These Biafran activists went and disrupted church. Make I tell on a big trap be that. Anybody where they send on that kind of message, make una go disrupt church. That person no like una. If you no want vote, stay for your house. No disrupt church. No disrupt market. We don't get too much complaint. Because this thing na trap where they want heat up our land so that army go enter they shoot our people. We no want make you die. We no want make your mama or papa lose you. This struggle we go use our sense together. Biafra dey with us. The whole world they wait for us. We don't go places they ask us, are you people really serious? Why is it that Biafra is in your hand and you people don't want to take it? Because history will not spare us if we miss this opportunity. Because they will write, there was a group of Biafrans that had opportunity of winning independence for their people. But they decided to snatch defeat from the jaw of victory. Those where these same lawyers where they tell on say Nigerian constitution they fraudulent. These same lawyers go still use that constitution go they defend their clients, collect money put for pocket. Turn back tell you say make you sit at home. If you they go vote, you are validating the constitution of Nigeria. But them they use the same constitution they defend people. My brothers and sisters, una no get sense. Since una no get sense, so people distract church. It no good. Now they are bringing Judaism. This thing not to distract us. Not to distract us from the real independence. I don't tell on how they destroy a black civil movement in America and how they destroy many other ones. This thing is distraction. They won't use Judaism distract us from Biafran agitation. Now when we dey small, you get what they tell us when we play football. They say if you miss the ball, don't miss the leg. Now we won't miss the ball, miss the leg. But it no go happen. Make open your eyes. This Biafran job, some people don't turn into business. Some people don't turn into comic relief. To some people say na show business. Anybody wey wan do show, talk to me. I go call Don Jazzy. Make it take you. If you say na acting, talk to me. In fact, my director here, he relate one of in fact, arguably the biggest Nollywood actress, Genevieve Onaji. He go talk to Genevieve. Biafra na serious business, na serious issue. 3.something million killed, and still counting. And we don't want to organize ourselves. Talk to your leaders. Make all the pro-Biafran leaders get serious meeting. If your leader can't tell you, say, no, go that meeting, say those people are saboteurs. No, say that your leader. He get waiting they touch for me. Now here we go stop because we no go answer every question, but these are the most important ones. And people where they help us with the thank you, with the thank you, at that Biafra, we they see your handwork for our YouTube channel and many other people. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Ebeka unusi Biafra, Ebeka unusi